All right, let me show you how we are powering this off-grid cabin build, okay? I've got the Blue Eddy EB55 over here. It's plugged into, it's got the adapter going to the solar panel right out there, 160 watt panel. They're seldom ever going to be optimized. So we are bringing in 115 watts through the panel. It is really hard with the sun out here to show you the front screen. I got my phone on the top, doing the wireless charging on the top of the Blue Eddy. It's got a 15 watt wireless charger, and let's see if we can get this tilted up. We just got some shade, so we bumped down to, well, we're still at 101 on solar input. Okay, and then I've got a charging board right here for my Milwaukee batteries, and then they all just go down to a power strip. The only reason I don't have like a quick charger is because these chargers are free, or more or less included with the tools when you purchase them, and the smart or fast chargers cost more money. And then we're just charging the speaker, or I'll alternate between charging the speaker and the phone off the USB there. So that is how we're powering this build for the time being. And then we will go ahead and get a larger system ordered. That will be the whole home power for this. Very likely we are going with the Jackery 5000 Plus. It's the plan at the moment.